Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, here is a video of a 12-inch Galaxy amber brown blade fan, whatever you want to call it. The model number is 12-1, I believe it is. It's a 3-speed. There's this control switch right there. There's the push button switch. Has cool, it looks pretty cool. I'll turn it around for you guys, and here's what it looks like. Here's the motor, and look at that. You know, that's where the screw used to be. There used to be a screw there, but I got it. It was like that when I got it. It was all messed up. The thing was cracked and everything. It was got at a flea market. There in somewhere in DeLand, Florida. There, I go there when I go to the flea market whenever I visit my neighbor. I go with them in this van. But, sorry if this is getting kind of inconvenient. Sorry for the inconvenience. This thing gives me trouble, and yes, it did pinch my thumb. Anyway, I'll start off on high for you guys. You know, I'll give me a second. Okay, here's high. I'd like to give a shout out to Tori the Fan Man and Esky Wolf 76. And I'd also do this for other fan hobbies such as Martin Carena-Santiago, or however your name is pronounced, Martin. But here's the fan. I know you have two of these. One's a Crossley, one's... I had a General Lux fan, but then it got messed up. But okay, we'll take it down here to medium. Down to medium. Yep, it's a good fan. And here's low. This thing still puts out a breeze. And I'll put it on low with oscillation. It may make some funny noise, some clicking noises because of the way it has it, but a little thumping noise whenever it goes in there. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, pick that up or not, but it is oscillating. Put it up to medium, back to medium. Pretty quiet. It's from the late 80s, early to mid 80s. And here's high. I know it's going to make that sound, but hey. It's a really good fan. And this thing has been oiled. When I first got this thing, it was kind of sluggish, but this was back in the summer. It was back in July, back in 2012 when I got it. Back in June of 2012. It's a really good fan, and I go ahead and I'm going to turn off the oscillation and let you guys see